guys, happy Sunday. So today we are going to be doing all the things around our yard. Okay, so here we have the internal piece of what was, I believe, a rock crusher that the ranch gave us to repurpose as a fire pit. But on the right here you see that I used two poles from the pole fence and some cinder blocks that I picked up at Home Depot for like $2 each to make a cute little bench. Here why it's just getting it level. It's very, very heavy, like definitely. Okay, got my mineral tubs full of dirt. Now we're gonna move them up to the house. Oh man, those are heavy. Glad I'm not lifting them. Okay, so here is this stump under a whole bunch of other stumps that I just decided that would be a really cute bench for by the fire pit, and why it was nice enough to bring the tractor down to get it out for me. But he forgot to clip the chain, so the chain fell off. Anyways, so we finally got that out of there, and he drug it up by the fireplace for me, and it ended up being really cute. So super thankful. We were joking in bed the other night. He's like, oh, so how are you going to do that? When I was telling him about this idea I had, and I said, I don't know, that's your problem. I have the ideas, and you make them happen for me. He's the greatest. Alrighty, so next Wyatt put up the swing on the porch, and the beautiful thing about this swing is that you just hook the carabiner hook on any eye screw, and so Wyatt put the eye screw out on the covered front porch. You got a little helper by your feet, honey.
Hey, thanks. She's great. No, I'm sure you was right. Thank you. Thanks for moving your hands, son.
Whoa, look at that. Daddy got your swing up.
Whoa.
Oh, they're filthy.
Ty ripped one of their feet. Just pull them every now and then.
Right? Are you having the best time? Did you miss your swing? I missed it too.
Did you get a picture of the fire pit set up?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what all you filmed. I know you were filming.
Here I added a honeysuckle, a lily on the left, and a rose on the right. And then this is the short walk to the fire pit. I picked up this little tin in town. I have fire starter in there for right now. My little homemade cinder block bench. And then the stump Wyatt brought up. And our fire pit. Looking down at the garden and across the field. This little LR3 is really growing on me. I think it was the perfect choice for where we live now. It does so good off-road and the airbags make it so nice. So for those of you that are close to me, you know that I was debating between another luxury car and it didn't work out. I'm actually pretty sure that the guy selling it was like trying to kidnap me. But anyways, that's a story for another time. I'm really happy that I got this and we're really loving it. So if you want a full car tour, let me know. So I was cozy in the back of the LR3 with my White Claw. The kids were asleep. And it was perfect because every time I would catch a fish, I would just reel it up to the bank and Wyatt would unhook it and let it go. And I never had to touch the fish and I got to stay warm. Okay, so we are home from fishing. We got the boys down. Now we're just hanging out. And I am going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with us on all of our fun adventures. Stay tuned for more videos and please like and subscribe.